Tired of drowning in repetitive tasks and scattered apps? Then buckle up, because in the next minute and a half, we're diving headfirst into the world of automation with N8n, your new best friend for connecting apps and streamlining your life. N8n, pronounced N8n, is a powerful, open-source platform that lets you visually design and automate workflows, connecting different services without writing a single line of complicated code. First things first, let's get N8n up and running. You've got a few options here. You can download the desktop app for a quick test drive, use N8n Cloud for a hosted experience, or install it on your own server for maximum control. Pick whichever suits you best. Once installed, fire up N8n. You'll be greeted by a blank canvas, ready for your automation masterpiece. See that start node? That's where your workflow begins. Now, the magic happens with nodes. Think of them as building blocks. Click the plus button to explore the node library. You'll find nodes for tons of popular apps like Gmail, Twitter, Slack, and many more. Let's say you want to automatically save every email attachment you receive in Gmail to a specific folder on Google Drive. Drag and drop a Gmail node onto the canvas, then configure it to watch for new emails. Next, drag and drop a Google Drive node. Connect the Gmail node to the Google Drive node by clicking and dragging between the two. Configure the Google Drive node to save the attachments. See how visually intuitive this is? You're literally connecting the dots to create your automated process. Hit the Execute Workflow button and watch N8n work its magic. Your email attachments will now automatically be saved to Google Drive. Congratulations, you've just created your first N8n workflow. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Experiment with different nodes, explore advanced features, and unlock the true potential of automation.